What is real estate photography? This is a really new component to the photography world. So what is it? Well, let's talk about it in this video. I'm Scott Prokop and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be discussing real estate photography. Real estate photography is a specialized form of photography that captures images of properties for sale or rent. This includes homes, apartments, commercial buildings, and other types of real estate. The goal of real estate photography is to showcase the property in the best possible light, highlighting its features and amenities. This helps potential buyers or renters visualizing themselves living in a space and encourages them to take the next step in the purchasing process. Real estate photographers use a variety of techniques to capture the property, including a wide-angle lens, a technique called high dynamic range or HDR photography. You use drones to get the special angles from above. You also use lighting and staging techniques to enhance the appearance of the property. In addition to traditional photos, real estate photographers may also create virtual tours or videos of the property. These can be particularly useful for buyers who are not able to physically visit the property due to distance or other constraints. Real estate photography is an important part of the real estate industry, and it requires skilled eye and attention to detail. If you're in the market for a new property, be sure to pay attention to the quality of the photos and consider hiring a professional real estate photographer to ensure that you get the best possible images of your home. Hope this helps. It's a really quick overview from way up above about real estate photography. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about real estate photography, be sure to leave them in the comments below. I'm Scott Prokop and hope to see you in the next video. Thanks.